In Września, between Frankfurt Oder and Warsaw, the brand Volkswagen Nutzfahrzeuge is building a new factory. Starting in 2016, the new generation of VW Crafter is set to roll out the production line. The soon-to-be Crafter factory covers an area of 220 hectares. That equals 300 football fields. If one wanted to walk the length of the construction site, they would have to go 7 kilometers. An enormous site. For VW as building owner and investor, safety has highest priority at the construction site. The tight building schedule presents challenges for all parties involved, including the coordination of some 1,500 workers.
Ochrona pracy na budowie jest tutaj traktowana w
Occupational health and safety play a major role at the building site. We are proud that VW as investor has commissioned and authorized TÜV Rheinland Poland, an external company to manage safety surveillance.
Bardzo ważnym elementem, który tutaj
We are, first and foremost, responsible for complying with Polish regulations for the prevention of accidents caused by hazards at various work sites. This includes excavation, digging operations, working at heights, working in enclosed areas, hot works, different types of welding, and other kinds of typical works for construction sites. Much of Tomasz Koncewicz's work is based on the Health and Safety Coordination Measurement Catalog, which outlines the health and safety plan. This catalog was compiled by TÜV Rheinland in cooperation with VW as client, in order to implement special demands of the investor. The project falls under Polish, German, and EU law. Furthermore, TÜV Rheinland has implemented its best practice solution proposals for health and safety coordination from experience on other large-sized projects. In addition to his management responsibilities as Senior Health and Safety Coordinator, Tomasz Koncewicz works in close cooperation with all occupational safety experts and construction site managers of several companies, contractors and subcontractors. Every Monday, an overall inspection including representative managers of the investor as well as involved contractors has to be carried out. They check on working conditions and goods which form the basis for their report. Tuesdays, the health and safety meeting is on the agenda. Here, experts of almost 20 contractors discuss the issues that happened on site in the previous week and discuss potential hazards with the construction work planned for the upcoming weeks. In addition to the documents to be delivered before entering the site, for example the risk assessment, all employees must attend safety training according to the Health and Safety Measurement Catalog. The participants will be instructed in what kind of risk could happen at the construction site, which hazards to be aware of, and which rules are to be followed to prevent accidents. The principles for safety on site are contained in the mentioned Health and Safety Measurement Catalog. It regulates, for example, how to behave in site traffic. In addition to speed limit, it includes information about the maximum alcohol level which has been agreed by the client. In the first year of construction, the team led by Tomasz Koncewicz trained more than 1,000 responsible managers, who have in turn trained 10,000 building employees. By the end of the project, approximately 15,000 people will have been trained. The most important question when hiring TÜV Rheinland to provide health and safety coordination was to be able to manage a construction site of these dimensions after successful international references. It has been successful thus far. The high sense of responsibility as a guiding principle can be seen in every single action. We are very pleased about the determination and execution and the solid coordination of all work in progress at the construction site. And the most important thing is, everything has run well without major incident.